Okay, so we're on homework and remembering Unit 4, Lesson 5, and it seems to me by the students' work and the in-class work we've been doing, Unit 4 has been a success so far. So 4-5 is more of the same, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1-digit, multiplying 2-digit numbers by other 2-digit numbers, and we have several strategies for multiplying whole numbers. So you can use whatever one you like. I am going to show you number 1 and number 5, so we get a little mix of both combinations, a 3 by 1 and a 2 by 2 digit number. So let's look at number 1 first. Number 1, it is 397 times 9. And what we're calling this traditional algorithm, like most of us learned as adults, if this is a parent watching, as adults, the traditional algorithm that we're calling it the shortcut in 5th grade. It's called the shortcut. Now I'm going to show you the shortcut, and it's what most of us are familiar with. So the shortcut is just telling us to take the digit on the bottom and make sure you put it in the ones place above, the tens place, and the hundreds place. So 9 times 7 is 63. I'm going to put my 3 ones down and my 6 tens up. So I have the number 63 still. You can see the 6 tens and the 3 ones. Now we'll go to the next digit. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 6. So 9 times 9 is 81 plus 6 gives us 87. So I put my 7 down and I carry my 8. And then our last is 9 times 3, which is 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8 is 35. So we write 3,573 for number 1. And we're referring to this as the shortcut. A lot of us know this from grade school as the traditional way of doing multiplication. And it's fine. If you love this way, if this is the way you understand it, then that's fine. Let's look at number 5 and try our place value sections method. Now the place value sections method will take a little bit more work, but what we notice is that students get these correct more often when they use this strategy, the place value section strategy, because it allows them to have zero ending numbers. So what we do is we make our large rectangle here, and we have 67 times 82. So we're going to take the larger number of the two factors and put it on the long side of our rectangle. And we're going to write it in expanded form. So expanded form of 82 is 80 plus 2. That is 82 in expanded form. And right where that plus sign is, we're going to draw a line. So this large part from here to here represents 80. And from this point on over represents 2. But from here to here, it's 82. And then we take 67 and put that in expanded form on the shorter side of the 2. And that's going to be 60 plus 2. Or I'm sorry, 7. We got to switch that. 60 plus 7, that makes 67. All right, and then at that addition sign, make another line going straight across. So our sections are here, this large section. Here, this skinny rectangle. Here's another section, and there's another. There are 4 sections. In each section, we're going to find the area of that. So if this length is 80 and this width is 60, well, the area is 6 times 8, 48. Add your 2 zeros to it. You get 4,800. It's the same as saying 8 times 6 is 48, and since we're in the tens place, 10 times 10 makes 100. 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. Or you can think of it as 8 times 6 is 48, and then add your 0 from each to the end. Now let's go to this skinny rectangle. 80 is this long side and 7 is the short side. So 80 times 7 is 560. Okay. Over here we have this side, which is 60. This side is 2, so 2 times 60 is 120. And then here we have 7. And there we have 2, so 7 times 2 is 14. So now each section we have a partial product. These are partial products. Well, we have partial products, we don't have a final product for 67 times 82. So now we'll take this and we'll add them. Starting with the largest number, we want to stack them and line them up the best we can, so that the ones is under the ones place, the tens under the tens place, the hundreds are under the hundreds, and the thousands under the thousands if we have them. And notice I'm lining them up from greatest to least. And we're adding all these partial products. So let's add up, starting in the right side of these numbers. In the ones place, we have 4. In our tens place, we have 9. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, plus the 1 is 14. Carry the 110, and we have 5. So there's our answer. 67 times 82 equals 5,494. It is a longer way, but students always answer correctly when they use this. If they understand the method and they understand place value, they always get the correct answer, and that's what matters. So if you like this strategy, you may use it. Good luck on your homework tonight. I am sure everyone will do great. Have a good night.